My name's Dave, and this is my floating home. In the great outdoors, I connect with nature. Cruising through life in the slow lane, I explore, discover, and experience tranquility and peace. I'm inspired by nature. On this episode, I give nature a helping hand. And spring has truly arrived with an Easter surprise. It's the night of the spring equinox and a new moon, and there's a mysterious mass gathering of toads. And it's time to move my home again, cruise along the canal. Mother Nature can be cruel and challenging and difficult at times, especially if you're a boater like me, trying to get back to my home in the middle of a storm. And through the months of spring, we can still experience the cold, wet and windy weather. It can also be a challenging time for the wildlife. I know how important wildlife is, so I like to give nature a helping hand and sow some seeds of love. The storm has brought down plenty of branches and twigs, and this will do nicely to help create a bird feeder at the bow of my boat. And to add to the menu, a nice pine cone suet. I'm not finished. I still have one more tree to set up for our lovely feathered friends. Another pine cone suet with fat balls and peanuts. Now that all the feeders are set up, it's time to head back inside, warm up, and wait for the first feathered customers to arrive. And my first customers have arrived, a pair of long-tailed tits, followed by a blue tit. Although a little bit unsure at first, the birds have really got into feasting on my feeder. And the food will provide them with strength, stamina to stay healthy through nesting, mating and laying. a small and simple act of kindness can bring great rewards for all. I've made sure that I'm stocked up with supplies inside. And it looks like this little blue tit has spotted some of my supplies. A muddy and puddled towpath walk home. There's a toad, and he's not alone. Not just 2, or 3, or 4, but possibly 100 more. In the hours of the spring equinox and the new moon, nature's golden budders have an instinctive knowing that a great moment will arrive soon. A reptilian likeness, dimpled, craggy and covered in warts, yet handsome and beautiful in a way. Symbols of resurrection, rebirth, and guardians of treasure. It's now the hour of the equinox. Spring has finally arrived. Distant females call, advertising their presence. This is what the males have been waiting for. Alerted by the squeaky croak of the females, they prepare for nature's great event, procreation. The male jumps on her back and clutches tight from behind. Oh dear, things can go wrong, but not to worry, she's got another male on standby. And he knows what he's doing. Within seconds, it's all over. The males dismount, and they all head off back under the logs and to hide between the reeds. And I've just witnessed a wonderful event that I may never ever see again. From beneath the tree roots, an Easter treat, fluffy and cute, Benjamin, Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Pete. It's a beautiful sunny spring day, and time to move my floating home further along the canal. On the journey, I'll stop off and top up with water, and then continue my cruise through the historic mill towns and beautiful countryside, and arrive at my mooring at sunset. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the cruise.
Yes, you can't stop the love. You can't take the love from me. You can't say what's pure and free. You can't take what's inside of me. Yes, you can't stop the love. You can't take the love from me. You can't take what's pure and free. You can't take what's inside of me.
I've just arrived in Macclesfield, and it's time to moor up at the wharf and top up the water tank. Whilst waiting for the tank to fill up, there's the odd job to do. And meditative moments of observing the mirrored world. Tank filled up, and it's time to continue the cruise.
You can't stop the love. You can't take the love from me. You can't say what's pure and free. You can't take what's inside of me. Yes, you can't stop the love. You can't take the love from me. You can't say what's pure and free. You can't take what's inside of me. Sound in and around that fed my soul and made me whole. So I swallowed my pride and I looked inside. I caught a view of a mirrored hue. I saw my true colors reflected in others, and I sat and saw what was hidden before that lurked in the shadow behind closed doors. You can't stop the love. You can't take the love from me. You can't take what's pure and free.
If you've enjoyed these moments watching my film, then please do leave a comment. I do read them all. And support me by subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to click the like button and the bell button for notifications. And why not join me on Patreon for extra content and early viewing of all my new episodes? You'll find me on Facebook, Instagram. I look forward to connecting with you again very soon.